Hello guys, hope you all doing well. If you guys want to make extra money and you have a good PC, a gaming PC or a work PC, any PC with a good graphic cards, a GPU or a CPU, you can make money out of that by mining the device. So mining your graphic card will get you some money, or mining your CPU. Of course, the higher your graphic cards is, the higher money you will make a day. So I'll be showing you how to do that. It's very simple, very easy. I will show you an easy way of doing it. Give me a second. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a NiceHash and then go on their website. So basically, you don't have an account. So what you're gonna do is join us, and you'll have to fill up all the information. For me, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in. That's very basic, and I'll be showing you after that step by step what to do. So go with the email, using that one, and then the password has to be one special character, and then caps, one cap. There's a confirmation, you'll receive it on your email, so just log into your email, and then you'll see it out there. Alright, so just give me a second. Alright, got that code over here. I'll just paste it in here, verify. Okay, so what we will, that's after you register and you log in, that's how is it gonna show you. You go on mining and then download miner. It's gonna be NiceHash miner. The quick one, it's good, but I would go with the NiceHash miner, the second option. Press on it and then download. That's the wallet, that's the code you gotta copy, or by default it installs it, but just copy it in case, and then you will run. That's what's gonna show you. You accept, next. It shouldn't take any long. So basically they pay you with Bitcoin, and then you can change it and all that. So if it's done, we do finish. All computer froze. So we just press on finish and then accept. I accept, English, and then just compare. So we found this mining address in the registry. It doesn't match. So you can either add a new mining address, and then sorry, we gotta log in. Go to rig manager. So right here shows the rig. That's the account. Let this one finish, and then I will show you. So this is the miner third party. Just I accept, and then restart the application. I'll show you where you're gonna put the code. It's downloading all the requirement files for NiceHash and then for the third party. So here sees one GPU, no CPU, because I did not put the CPU. Well, we gotta go on setting and then mining address. So the one we copied, just to show you that I'm gonna put it in the name, just to show if it's the same or different. It is the same actually in here. So we just keep it as it is, or to make sure you got the right one, just repaste it in there. And then that's the name, so I'm gonna name it Smarty, and that's it. So now we start mining. That's all you have to do. Click start mining, and then started mining. Over here, dashboard shows active rigs 1, so far 0 Bitcoin. I don't have any. Depends, as I said, it depends your on your graphic card. So let me show you how to know the information. You go on run, and then you type here, just dx dial, DIAG. Okay, and then that screen will pop. You go on display. Over here is gonna show you what's your graphic card. So I have RTX 4060, which is not bad. There's the 4080, as we have running in the company on other rigs and then other PCs. So any card that can make you some money. The higher it is, the more money it is. Alright, so over here it's bench. It will take a couple minutes and then it will start. Once it will start, it will be showing you something like that. Green, blue, as long as it says connected somewhere. Don't know usually. So device is 1 out of 1. You can turn it off, on, load, advanced speed. Well, it's gonna heat. So your device should have a good ventilation. Your desktop or the rig, you guys should have it in a place that it's an open place, or it's not that hot, because the hotter they get, the slower they will perform. So you don't need that. Ventilation is a very good thing to have when you're mining on device. Hope you hope that's all you guys need. So there is multiple things you can do on the website and all that. I'm not gonna go through that now, which is the wallet, where you can withdraw and deposit. This one is just a new account. I just did it to show you guys. And then mining, dashboard, all these things. You don't need that as long as your device is mining, and then you can go to the wallet and withdraw the money, but not every day. You guys should give it some time. Just forget about it, let it mine, never turn off your device, and then with time it will add up something. Alright, have a good one, guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments.